So I just got the pipe parts welded to the stands. I had to go get some new wire and I ran out of wire. I'll tell you what, guys, a buddy of mine got me to try Harbor Freight wire. My welder did not act right, made funny noises and everything. Went back to the Lincoln flux core wire that I'm used to running. Runs just fine. I'm gonna add some supports to the side. I don't think it really needs them. Maybe just cosmetic looks, I don't know. Not that it has to be pretty. So something like this should work. This little pipe right here. Just cut off 45-degree angles. Alright, let me cut this up and then I'll start this back. Alright, I got one done. And if it don't rain tomorrow, they predict storms, I'll build the other one, and then I gotta cut the hose in the top for the boats on the bell housing to slide onto, and the hose for the pins, and then of course the middle bar I gotta cut out. So I got this one all welded up and painted. I like to paint things to keep it from flush rusting out. I don't know if it helps or not, but I like to spray my welds after welding so to keep them from flash rusting. This one will get fixed tomorrow. The same bars down there at the bottom. And that should work. So I'll start making this video again tomorrow if it ain't raining. If not, it'll be a few more days later. So just stay tuned. Well, it's now day 2 on the Jackstand build for the Farmall Cub. And I'm not gonna lie, guys, I got a little carried away and got a lot done off camera. So here's what we got. I got this one painted, but it just slides into these boats right here. It's gonna be tightened down. And see, I could have just welded one single piece right here, but this makes it be able to, and it's gonna be I gotta drill some more hose in the pipe itself. That'll be held with pins. This keeps it from having to, makes it more easier to transport and stuff. So I'll probably not do any more on this video until today's Wednesday, Saturday, when we go to tear this tractor apart, and then the stands will be all together and y'all can see it be set up and in use. So that's what I'll do there. And I'll probably just do it on this video right here instead of doing another part 3. Just put it all in this video. So anyway, this is what I got done. I believe it'll work good. Tighten these bolts down some. It's pretty thick angle iron. I don't think it's gonna go anywhere once it's done. And that'll make it easier when we're splitting, because the engine hoist right here will split right here, of course. But gonna have something here to hold the back half up, and I don't have jack stands tall enough, so I think this is a better way. I don't know. Heck, it might still work. This jack stand setup might work on other small Farmalls. I'm not for sure. These are 27.5 inches tall. It might work. The only thing different, I might have to, if I try using it on another one, I'd probably have to make a new an extra center port for the width of the next tractor. I wouldn't put too heavy of a tractor on these, even though this oil line pipe, it's thick stuff, but I still wouldn't put like a whole lot of weight on there. But all right, I'll start this camera back Saturday when it'll be all together and tractor will be split in half. Well guys, this is the last part of this video. Since I forgot the videotape at my uncle's. I will add a picture of it holding it split apart while on these stands. I'll add it in right here. And these worked great. I did cut my slots a little low, so what we did was we just stuck I think it was like a 1-inch board underneath them both. It worked. So I said I was gonna add I'm gonna show y'all how a better video on how I set these up, and I was also gonna get y'all the specs on my measurements on how I made these, and or the pipe size I used and everything. But okay, let me set these up, and then I'll get this spec size. Alright, what happens, I just kind of lean it in here. Just like that. They ain't locked, that's for sure. Using that old oil fill pipe, I gotta take this pin out right here. Same way over here. Let me get on the trailer, make it easier. When I convert this over to 12 volts, this system, these wires will be fixed. The previous owner did a whack job on it, and I'm sure those goats are having a field day eating them. I did get the clutch finished. No more chatter on this. It don't happen all the time, but it's still, like when I first started up, grinds a little going into first gear. I don't know what that's about. Maybe it'll get better. I don't know. We'll see. If it don't get better, I guess we'll play with the adjustments more. Okay. Slide this in up here. Goes through here. Accidentally shut the camera off. All right. There we go. Slid in there. My holes are a little off on this, so I have to play around with the pin. These pins are just the ones from Harbor Freight, the hitch pins from Harbor Freight. They just go down this hole and then hook on right here. And that is pretty much it to this. We did trying to for leveling it, to help level it some. We did put a bottle jack under here, and it lifted it up just a hair when we was leveling it to put this back together. I'm still not finished 100% putting it back together. This thing leaks so much fluid. I gotta put the inspection plate back down here, and yeah, it worked great. Didn't fall over or anything, so that's good. Anyway, let's get the measurements on this. Where did I put that tape measure? It's all the way over there. From this side. All right, so this pipe right here, this pipe right here is 27 inches long. Both sides, 27.5 inches. This is 2.5 inch oil line pipe. We buy it by the foot local here. I think it's like $3 a foot, but I got this for free. And these are just random pipes, cutting random lengths. I really didn't measure those out too good. And same, this is just a 2.5 inch pipe, same as this. And then the pipe in the center here, pull that out. I think it's like 8 1/4, I believe, somewhere around yeah, somewhere around like 8 1/4. But other than I got the hose wrong, and off just a hair. I was in a hurry to finish it up. This is just angle iron I had laying around here, but it was big enough for the job. I cut them in, these are 2 foot wide, and these are 3 by 3 angle iron. It's 1/4 inch thick, really heavy stuff. Does the job, and just wide enough, and it worked real good. So yeah, we got the tractor fixed. These work great, and I know you can use wood and stuff, but I had metal and used metal, and I liked how they turned out. Other than I didn't have enough paint to actually finish this one, and I really did a messed up job on the paint, but it's just to cover the rust up. So next, guys, Cub touch control rebuild. All this fluid, look at that. All that fluid. I got the parts, you just gotta do it now. Gotta get off this trailer, and gotta get a new fuel filter, and that sediment bowl back there is leaking. Sediment bowl's leaking, hydraulics is leaking, has a front oil seal leak. It has a bunch of leaks. It's just an old tractor, leaky old tractor. At some points I just keep putting fluid in there, and I just check it often. But yeah, still got to put this thing back together. But anyway, that's the end of this jackstand build video. I like the way it turned out. It's heavy. It could be taken apart, so easy storage. And heck, it might work on other small Farmalls. I don't know. I only have a Farmall Cub, so I guess we could tell in the future if I buy any more tractors. Yeah. Well, I'll get off here now. Thanks, guys, for watching. Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. Thanks again, guys.